Lubricate the lungs during autumn by adding Hawthorn berry orange zest and rock sugar. The pear's cooling nature is transformed into a remedy that strengthens the lungs, enhances immunity, reduces cholesterol, and aids in weight loss. Hawthorn berry helps to remove blood stasis, reduce fat, and nourish the blood, while orange zest strengthens and activates the digestive system. So, let's discover this romance between Asian pear and Hawthorn berry. Ingredients: a big Asian pear, wash thoroughly and cut into 16 pieces. First into 4, then 8, then 16 tiny pieces. 20-gram yellow crystal sugar, 1 lemon pressed into juice, a dozen frozen Hawthorn berry. Alternative dried Hawthorn berry you can get easily from Amazon. Please use the link below. We choose an organic one for you. 1 tablespoon dry orange zest. Preparation: in a small or medium pot, bring 1.5 liters of water to a boil. Add the crystal sugar, the pear. Cook for 3 minutes with intense fire. Cover the lid and boil for 10 minutes. You can reduce the fire and let the pear to simmer. Stir well. Don't forget to cover the lid after. Add the Hawthorn berries and cook for 3 minutes. Keep the fire intense during these 3 minutes. Look at how beautiful it is, the color. To mix the white, red, orange, and yellow beautiful, happily. Then cover the lid and continue to cook for 10 minutes. Reduce the fire. Give a little bit time for these beautiful fruits to mix well and to simmer for a few minutes. Then open the lid, add lemon juice. So the dish is ready. Please note that this dish is not recommended during pregnancy, as Hawthorn berry can affect blood circulation, which will remove blood stasis. We will be creating a special video to discuss this in more detail. You can find the ingredients and their Amazon links in the description below. By using our Amazon affiliate links, you can help support our channel. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.